Hey, friends. Today I will collect a 12-volt battery. The battery will be collected from 105 ampere-hour elements. Each battery weight is approximately 2 kilograms. Connected all the disadvantages of the batteries. I measured the voltage of each battery. I connect all the disadvantages and all the batteries. I will charge them to a voltage of 355 volts. The batteries will be charged with current 10 ampere. All 4 batteries will be connected in a sequence. We will connect with metal jumps. The batteries will share isolation among themselves. The BMS controller will be installed on the battery. Additional balances will be established to align the voltage on all batteries. Insulation is incorporated on the batteries. I will now connect all 4 batteries in a sequence. The battery is fully assembled. The BMS controller is installed on the one hand. Balancing fees are established on the other hand. We will check the battery operation with the electric motor connected. Connect the electric motor.
Аккумулятора.
The engine works.
Как видно,
Everything was
работает.
done right. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe to the channel. All bye.